Welcome to the CA Advanced Authentication mainframe video. In this video, we will discuss how to enable RSA authentication. Multi-factor authentication is a method of computer access control in which a user is only granted access after successfully presenting several separate pieces of evidence to an authentication mechanism. Administrators can require users to log on to ZOS applications by using RSA Secure ID credentials instead of a password or password phrase. This feature enables a consistent two-factor authentication approach across mainframe and enterprise infrastructures. The two factors that constitute an RSA passcode are a PIN, which is something you know, and a token value, which is something you have. To enable RSA Secure ID authentication under Advanced Authentication mainframe, start the Multi-Factor Authentication Started task, activate Multi-Factor Authentication services, define permits for controlling authentication by facility, then add, modify, or remove factor authentication data for an ACID. If Advanced Authentication mainframe is configured to control sign-on through multi-factor authentication, users can sign on to ZOS applications with the appropriate credentials. To set up the RSA authentication, the administrator activates multi-factor authentication services and specifies that validation is subject to facility-specific permits with a given user. Next, define a permit that gives use access to the appropriate resource in the CASE CMFA resource class. Add the RSA factor to the ACID and map the CA Top Secret user ID to the associated RSA user ID that is defined to the RSA server. Next, you can list the portion of an ACID record that contains factor authentication data. Now the user, Cassie, can sign on using RSA credentials. The complete RSA passcode is the PIN plus the token. Cassie's PIN is 1234, and the fob token is currently 576494, so our passcode is 12345. 76494. As you can see, passcode validation is successful. When Advanced Authentication mainframe is configured, users can sign on to ZOS applications with the appropriate multi-factor authentication credentials. For more information about CA Advanced Authentication mainframe, click the information bubble in the top right corner to load the CA Top Secret product page. From there, you can go to the product documentation, visit the CA support or CA community sites, or see the learning path. Thank you.